What's up mga kasuki? Meron ba ditong collectors ng Mercury Drug Suki Daybook? Finally, meron na ang 2025 Suki Daybook Planner. Available na siya sa almost all branches nationwide for only 45 Suki points. Yan. So, ang theme nila for this year is ayan, Grow with the Flow. Ayan, kita nyo ba? Grow with the Flow. They have available na 3 colors. Merong violet, yellow, green, and orange. So, wag na tayo magpaligoy-ligoy pa. And let's have a flip through sa ating 2025 Mercury Drug Suki Daybook. As mentioned, meron nga tayong 3 kulay. We have the violet, yellow, green, and the orange as well. Excited na akong makita kung ano yung content nito sa loob, kaya samahan nyo na akong mag-unbox ng ating first daybook, which is in color orange. Share ko lang, I started collecting Mercury Suki Daybook since 2018. Naalala ko yung first ever Suki Daybook ko is purchase ko pa sa Orange app kasi nga gusto ko talaga and mahilig ako sa notebooks. Syempre, first page is blank page at hindi mawawala ang personal information. Hindi rin mawawala syempre yung Dear Suki. Lagi silang meron nito for every second page after ng personal information sa bawat Suki Daybook. Usually, it's a heartfelt message from Mercury Drug for every Suki Daybook owner. What I like about this planner or Suki Daybook is hindi nila tinipid yung materials na ginamit like yung ink and paper. As we can see, nakikita natin dito yung 2025 holiday and yung calendar, as well as the 2024 and 2026 calendar. And syempre, yung listahan natin ng mga short events natin monthly like January, February. Every month na mga ganap natin is pwede nating ilagay sa list na ito. Or it's up to you kung ano yung gusto mong ilagay. Nakikita rin natin dyan yung mga public holidays natin for every month. Here you go with the theme Grow with the Flow. It means hindi ka lang go with the flow, but you will grow as well. Kasi 'di ba kapag go with the flow ka lang, as in parang dead fish ka, sige papatangay lang ako, come what may. Pero if you are growing with the flow, alam mong nagme-make ka ng progress kahit papaano. Next naman dito is finding your tribe. Of course, malaking factor sa growth natin yung tribe na sinasamahan natin or yung friends na meron tayo. Nakaka-apekto dyan yung habits natin, yung mga magiging mindset natin. And then, ang next page is yung tribe travel map. Meron siyang tracker ng mga places na napuntahan mo na. Yan, meron siyang Palawan, and basta mga lugar sa Pilipinas. Mag-check nyo yan kapag nag-avail na kayo. Ititik nyo lang daw siya once na napuntahan nyo siya sa 2025. Or hopefully and manifesting, no, marami tayong maging travels on 2025. Manila, may Zambales, Bohol, Antipolo, South Cotabato, Ilocos, Kalinga, Camiguin, tapos Siargao. Kung traveler ka, siguro malamang matitik mo to. Next naman, yung next page niya is yung ruled pads. Pwede ka magsulat dyan ng mga journal mo or anything. Pwede mo siyang gawing notebook. Mga ilang pages din yan. And then, ayan yung mga kasunod. Of course, part din ng kanilang theme na Grow with the Flow is yung pagiging conscious natin when it comes to mindset about money or our finances. Sabi nga dyan, you are in control where your money goes, not, or money should not control you. O, alam mo na. Nakalagay dyan yung needs, wants, culture, and unexpected expenses. Next is yung live on less. Dito naman, para siyang no spend a month challenge Kaya ba natin yun? No spend a month challenge. Bilang magastos na nila lang, challenge talaga to para sa atin. And pero, alam mo ba, na kita ko lang sa TikTok, the more na less na bagay na meron ka, mas na-appreciate mo yung mga bagay na meron ka na talaga. Ayan, meron dyang tracker. Sabi dito, monitor your daily spending habits by filling in the circles daw. Yan. Green, blue. Yan. Nakakategorize siya per color. Tapos, another ruled pads ulit. Mga ilang pages ulit siya. Next page naman is identify your why. Para siyang ikigai. Diyan mo makikita yung passion, mission, profession, and vocation. Ayan, what are you good at? Ano daw yung mga love mo gawin? Diyan mo i-define yun. Kapag ka na-define mo yun, you will know more about yourself, which is really good, and mas magkakaroon tayo ng will to live every day kasi alam natin yung purpose natin. Ayan, lagayan uli ng mga notes natin, journal, entries, daily, diary, whatever you want to put there. Next page is a reworking work. So, tungkol saan naman siya? So, para siyang about work-life balance through sa changes nga ng new normal ngayon. Kasi, diba, dati, what we all know is about on-site working. Ngayon naman, nauso na yung remote work, a hybrid model setup. On the next page, we will see Sunday's Guide to a Productive Monday. Siyempre, pamilyar tayo sa Monday blues. So, for us to avoid that, meron tayong prep on Sunday. Kung ano yung pwede natin maging routine para mas maging productive yung Monday natin. Yan, Sunday reset activities, yung nakalagay. Ayan, another set of ruled pads ulit. Sabi dyan, shifting away from scarcity, it talks about changing your mindset or perspective from scarcity to abundant mindset. Ayan, 2025 na, gawin mo ng abundant yung mindset mo. Eventually, you will start to notice how abundance comes, flows, and manifests itself in many beautiful ways: time, money, and love. So, manifestation magnets naman. It talks about parang law of attraction. Kung ano yung mga ina-attract mo, you'll achieve, you'll get it. Pero syempre, hindi pa rin mabibit ng discipline, consistency, hard work, o ano man yung gusto mong ma-achieve. Sabi nga, hard work pays off. Next is making quality choices. Every day we are faced with different decisions and choices in life. So, may mga tips dyan kung paano tayo gagawa ng mga quality choices in life. So, dito naman, zero waste checklist. Syempre, para makatulong tayo sa environment, merong ilang tips dyan or list ng mga pwede natin gawin to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Yes naman, of course, hindi mawawala ang budget tracker. Monthly yan, nakalagay ang ating income and expenses, and then you'll have to write it down there for you to track the income and expenses that you have. Down to the last pages, nakalagay yung mga contact numbers ng Mercury Drug branches. And syempre, meron silang pa-free stickers. And that's it for our Mercury Drug Suki Daybook 2025 notebook flip through. Thank you for joining me in this video. And if you like it, hit like and subscribe and follow and share this to your friends, and mag-avail ka na rin for only 45 Suki points. Alright, thank you so much again. See you in my next video.